Okay, we're getting ready to start a really long road trip. I'm gonna be in the car for 9 hours with these guys.
Yeah.
We're 20% of the way there. Second state. One state to go.
We're halfway through. I'm surviving. We have about 250 miles left.
We could literally be anywhere in Iowa right now. I don't think there's any distinguishing landmarks. It's just corn everywhere.
Well, we're in Minnesota.
Third state. Still no one yet has offered to drive.
No one's also farted.
Woo! Let's give it up for that.
We just arrived at our hotel. You guys are already taking advantage of fruit trees.
Hard car ride. I mean, we practically had to drive.
Arrived.
We made it. We're at Extreme Sandbox. We're gonna have some fun with construction equipment today.
Currently feverishly opening giant soccer balls, beach balls, fun stuff. Nice work!
No clue if I'm allowed to go out here, but I'm going out here.
Look at this beast. And twins! Let's see what this baby's all about. Oh yeah, solid. Ah, this isn't a good place to park. Oh, look at that little baby one.
And then there's the huge one. Guys, get off your phones. We're about to go train. I'm excited. Are you excited, Drew? I'm so excited. Are you excited? Are you guys excited? Yeah.
You guys don't mind if I film, right?
No, it'll be cool.
We really do.
It'll be best.
Is that cool?
Obviously we're running heavy equipment, so you guys gotta just have a basic understanding of that. So we've got wheel loaders, we've got bulldozers, and we got excavators.
Letting the dirt rain. This guy is illegally parked, and I gotta deal with it. Sorry, bro. Oh. You gotta scoot up a little bit. Kara did pretty good. Danny over there. I don't trust Danny in that. Step 2, learn how to bulldoze. Kara, go. Whoa, Kara! Kara's getting loaded up in the excavator. About to head over to my own personal excavator.
We're setting up for our first game here that we're playing, and Eric's over there in the excavator.
But this hat, though.
But Jamie's real proud of his hat. Eric is in there. He's in the excavator. He's going to be hitting the beach ball off the pile. And Jamie's all the way down there trying to catch the beach ball.
How's that beach ball coming at you, brah?
16 pounds. Yeah, it knocked me over. But the hat stayed on.
Like-
You know, because it's got this.
Yeah.
You know.
It's very,
It's the dopest hat, right?
All right, we are trying a new game. So we're gonna take all the balls that are behind me and we're gonna toss them up in the air and hope that the excavator can hit them while it's spinning.
Right here.
Bam.
Don't break stuff.
What are we crushing today, Joey?
Oh, all sorts of stuff. We originally named this part Will It Break, but it's gonna break.
Yeah.
About to do this dunk tank. This is a bad idea. It just carved a hole in the ground.
10 million views. 10 million views.
No!
How you feeling, Danny?
Okay.
Yeah? How high are you gonna go up in this thing?
High enough.
Why is it making so much noise? Because Eric is a small child. You having fun, Eric?
Yeah! I'm gonna put some fire
like a big boy.
Oh god. That stream. Oh. And the rainbow. Do I have to say start 'em up, boys?
Yeah.
Just because
legally
that's what
you
it
have
says in
to.
the script, I have to say start 'em up, boys. We at Bat19 like to think of our store as a shopping playground for kids and for kids at heart too. Check out bat19.com for an exclusive behind the scenes video.
Nailed it.
Like-
I thought that was awesome.
This one.
We want to end on something less scary for our viewers.
We did it, Kara.
Bat19.com